Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel WG News. I hope you'll be fine. This time we talk about how a cat blossomed into a Pakistan first Ghibli style animation. Once again, I say welcome back. If you're new viewers and old viewers, thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for latest updates. Stay connected with me. Like and share my video. 10 years ago, musician Usman Riaz grabbed a pencil and started to sketch. He might have hoped but did not know at the time that it would start him on a path to making history. That entire drawing became the glass worker Pakistan's first ever hand drawn and animated feature film. It follows the story of young Vincent and his father Thomas, who run a glass workshop and a war they are threatens to upend dual lives. Vincent's relationship with the violent Alicia, daughter of a military colonel, begins to test the bond between father and son. Usman tells BBC Asian Network the attractor ultimately come to learn that their life is a beautiful but fragile like glass. He described the glass water as an anti-war film set in an abuse and a fantastical world that takes inspiration from his home country. I wanted to tackle issue and themes that would have been difficult to tackle if it was based in Pakistan, he says. The country does not have the teeming film industry of neighboring India and there is a government support on or incentive for budding budding creatives like Usman. So their close worker was a passion project, he says. These 10 years from me have just been a purely driven and a passion and obsession. Since I was child, I have loved and drawn animation and there's something so magical about it. The beauty of the lines drawn and painted by the human hand always resonated with me. Usman says he traveled the world looking for mentors and his search to make took him to a Japanese animation house studio Ghibli, and the influences other Oscar-winning artists behind classics such as Pirate Away and The Princess Mononoke can be seen in their glass worker on style. Smart says industry veterans at a Ghibli were also the ones who encouraged him to start the production himself after racing 1 million $1 million toward a 2060 crowdfunding campaign of founder found his own studio menu animation. From there, it's been a painstaking process, especially since full production started in 2019. What you are watching is essentially a moving painting, size smart. Every single frame you see, whether it's a background or the jacket movie, it's all drawn by hand. Usman says that so far he has not made any money from the project and has been unable to pay his wife Mariam and cousin Khizar, who is a recruited to help him. But their hope that the labor of love could be start of something bigger. Jean appeared. Chino is another experienced industry figure. Smart turned to for advice about getting their glass further off the ground. She directed Sri Badger, a computer-generated tale that was Pakistan's first ever animated feature film. On its 2015 release, it broke box office record, even surpassing US imports and that turning previous record holder year two. Her studio was also the country's first female-led animation feature film. On its 2015 release in box office record, even surpassing US imports and dethroning previous record holder year two. Her studio was also country's first female-led animation studio and she understands the challenge of getting started better than most. Everything in Pakistan is a driving by a passion. She says, I had to one pillar to post. We are a country that has a limited access to our electricity and our industry heavily taxed. We are unable to import computer and hardware needed for animation. But Sharmeen, who is going to direct the upcoming Star Wars film New Jedi Order, says the glass worker could be a monumental step for Pakistan animation scan If it finds chemical issues, she believes it will originate something in the country, but there was a barriers to home ground animation becoming a red hot trend. Rafat Mehzar from Lahore-based Puffball Animation agrees that their technical skills are already there in Pakistan despite there being a formal training or schools available. But how do you not insert yourself? He asked. It's a question facing by any Pakistan filmmaker who has to deal with its strict board of film censor. Every time there are good film that comes out that sincere, the state and up censoring it say the Arfat. He does not believe the rules likely to listen. Akira Toriyama fans effect on a Dragon Ball creator legacy. Stranger Things season 5 teaser excited fan. His Hollywood finally drawing anime right. Shanmin agrees the government will only encourage the domestic film industry to grow if their work will provide opportunity to create a level playing field for us to compete with the rest of the world. There is a lot of scope in Pakistan of animation, she says, we just never been given the opportunity to create it. She shared efforts about the pace of change. Unfortunately, it will just be a few filmmakers who have that passion who will continue to create film, she says. But Charmin says she is eager to show how the world embraces their gloss further. I know that there is so much in there that will touch people's hearts, she says. Usman, we will finally get to find out how audience reacted to the work he spent 10 years pouring his energy into healthy gloss worker goes on general leave. He says he hopes to put Pakistan on the map and show it can stand up the kinds across the border in Bollywood. But the animation process has been urinating. It's extremely difficult, but we have done something nobody has ever done in the country before. He said, I think we've created something special that can stand true to with the rest of the animation produced in the world. I hope you'll enjoy this video, and if you like this video, have a nice time. Goodbye.